Ever tried lining up your beard and ended up looking like Wi-Fi signal bars? Yeah, same. So I went hunting for a trimmer that actually respects my hairline, and that's where the Blackout Trimmer 2.0 came in. If you're watching this, you're probably tired of uneven cuts, weak motors, or trimmers that die faster than your phone at 5%. So I tested this thing like a real user, not a robot, and here's the honest breakdown. First thing I noticed, the zero gap blade. And no, that's not just a fancy term, it actually cuts super close. I used it for lining my beard and it gave that clean barber style finish without me needing a barber. The motor is surprisingly strong for something that size. It doesn't struggle on thicker hair and it cuts smoothly without pulling, which is a big deal if you value your skin. Also, it's cordless, which sounds basic until you realize how annoying wires are when you're trying to angle your cut. This one just lets you move freely and the battery lasts long enough for multiple sessions. I didn't feel rushed using it. What I like most is the precision. It's perfect for lineups, small details, even shaping eyebrows if you're careful. It's also pretty quiet so it doesn't sound like you're starting a chainsaw in your bathroom. And yeah, it feels lightweight so your hand doesn't get tired halfway through. But let's be real, it's not perfect. Since it's very sharp and close cutting, you do need a steady hand. If you rush it, you can mess up your hairline. This is more of a take your time tool, not a speedrun your haircut device. So is it worth it? If you want clean, sharp results at home, yeah, this one delivers. Just bring a little patience and maybe don't freestyle your hairline on the first try. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.